Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it is also known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance in the night sky. Mars is a rocky planet with a thin atmosphere, and it has a surface that is covered in craters, volcanoes, and canyons. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are irregularly shaped and thought to be captured asteroids. NASA has sent several missions to Mars, including the Mars Curiosity rover and the Mars InSight lander, to study the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential for supporting life. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands at over 13 miles high and is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars has a much thinner atmosphere than Earth, and it is primarily composed of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. Mars experiences extreme temperature variations, with surface temperatures ranging from a high of 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to a low of -100 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Scientists believe that Mars was once a much more hospitable planet, with liquid water on its surface and a thicker atmosphere that may have supported life in the past. Mars has a day length similar to Earth's, with a day lasting about 24.6 hours. There are plans to send humans to Mars in the future, with NASA and private companies such as SpaceX working on developing the technology to make this possible. Mars has the longest valley in the solar system, Valles Marineris, which is over 2,500 miles long, 200 miles wide, and up to 4 miles deep. The average distance between Mars and Earth is about 140 million miles, but this distance can vary greatly depending on the positions of the two planets in their orbits. Mars has a much weaker magnetic field than Earth, which means that it is more vulnerable to solar winds and radiation from space. 14. The first successful mission to Mars was the Viking 1 mission, which landed on the planet's surface on July 20, 1976. Mars has a diverse range of geological features, including vast deserts, polar ice caps, and deep canyons, that have been shaped by both volcanic and tectonic activity. Mars has seasons that are similar to Earth's, but they are much more extreme due to the planet's elliptical orbit and thin atmosphere. The largest canyon in the solar system, the Valles Marineris, is thought to have been formed by a combination of tectonic activity and volcanic eruptions. The Martian year is almost twice as long as Earth's year, with 1 year on Mars lasting about 687 Earth days. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is also the second largest volcano on the planet. In 2012, NASA's Mars Curiosity rover discovered evidence of an ancient streambed on the planet's surface, indicating that liquid water may have once flowed on Mars.